Natural home remedies for indigestion. Indigestion, sometimes known through the medical term dyspepsia, is a result of an issue in the secretion of digestive juices within the stomach. Usually indigestion occurs after consuming spicy or fats or overeating. It is also triggered or worsened because of gastroesophageal reflux disease, acid reflux, IBS, stress or anxiety, weight problems, ulcers, stomach infection, thyroid disease, smoking and certain medications. Some symptoms of indigestion are bloating, gas, growling stomach, abdominal burning sensation within the upper abdomen, acidic taste, and vomiting. It is simple to get respite from indigestion symptoms using ingredients out of your kitchen. For example, sipping just a little water in the first manifestation of indigestion can provide you with some respite because it increases the gastric pH. Listed here are remedies to use to deal with indigestion. Fennel seeds. Dry roast, grind, and sieve fennel seeds. Take half a teaspoon of the powder together with water. Follow this remedy 2 times daily. Alternatively, you are able to drink fennel tea, produced by steeping 2 teaspoons of crushed fennel in a glass of warm water. An alternative choice would be to simply chew a spoonful of fennel seeds for relief of symptoms. Apple cider vinegar. Stir 1 teaspoon of unfiltered, raw ACV in a glass of water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey towards the solution. Drink this 2 times or 3 times each day to get quick relief. Basil. Add 1 teaspoon of basil to a glass of warm water, steep for 10 minutes and drink 3 glasses of this tea each day. Alternatively, then add basil leaves, some pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt in 3 teaspoons plain yogurt, then consume it 2 or 3 times daily.